Theodore, Baltimore, Maryland, the great WCBM, a lib who calls every talk show in America. Go right ahead.
No, I don't call every talk show because most of you all, many, particularly here in Baltimore, all
right, what's up, Theodore?
They do censorship.
No, they don't do censorship. We have millions of listeners, and you're sitting by that phone ready to dial every day.
Oh, sir, I at one time was close to that, but in reference to seeking the truth, I had to stop calling.
Well, of course, we know that you're a true believer. Go right ahead.
In reference to, first of all, Libya, I think the president handled it very well. He was very slow.
Nobody believes that. Excuse me. Let me just address that. Nobody, even Eugene Robinson, who is as close to being an Obama advisor as a person in the news business can possibly be, is scratching his head.
My classical education was that.
You talked right over me. You didn't hear a word I just said. Hold on. Should I talk over you the way you talked over me?
No, I didn't complete my sentence. But at any rate, that's a signal of your training. But at any rate, he handled it very.
Sir, my training is to slice and dice you in 13 seconds.
You are failing.
Because you're not that intelligent. You come on here and you pretend you're intelligent. I don't know what your classical training is. I addressed your first point. Do you have a second point?
In reference to Libya.
Now get out of here. You're already annoying me. I knew I never liked that guy, Linda. Wants to get into semantic games even before we get into it. He used to call all the time. He calls my buddy Tom Maher all the time, Hannity all the time, Rush all the time. There I did. I gave an inch, and I regret it. Let's keep moving. Let's see. And you liberals, you're free to come on if you want to have a discussion. If you're going to talk over me, we're not going to do it. Bonnie, Atlanta, Georgia, the great WGST, a liberal. Go.
Yes, I think Obama is doing a wonderful job, and who cares what the rest of the world thinks? But that's just part of your
spoken like a pure liberal. Spoken. Who cares what anybody else thinks? Bonnie thinks he's doing great. Well, tell me this. Why?
He's doing a great job in everything
tell me why.
He's done.
No, I don't want to hear about it.
What we had 8 years ago, he's doing.
Forget about 8 years ago. Give me 3 things that he's done great.
Health care.
That sucks.
I don't think.
As a matter of fact, it sucks so badly that everybody wants a waiver, including Weiner, the congressman who was promoted. Why do they all want waivers, Bonnie?
The same reason probably why you'd like one, because you already got.
You bet I do want a waiver, but you see, you're not going to answer either. You know why? You're a drone. You're a liberal drone. No matter what, you'll walk right off the cliff, won't you?
Obama can't do anything.
See you later.